Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the issue File Explorer not responding in Windows 11 with some quick and effective solutions. This issue can occur due to system overload, corrupted system files, outdated drivers, or buggy Windows updates. It can cause File Explorer to freeze, crash, or become completely unresponsive, making it hard to access your files or navigate your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open and restart Windows Explorer. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete to open Task Manager. You can also right-click the Start icon and select Task Manager. Under the Processes tab, locate Windows Explorer, right-click it, and choose Restart. Step 2, clear File Explorer cache. Open File Explorer. Click the three dots at the top right, then select Options. In the pop-up window under Privacy, click Clear File Explorer History. Then click Restore Defaults, followed by Apply and OK. Step 3. Run SFC and DISM to repair system issues. Search for CMD, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator, then click Yes. Type the following command and hit Enter. Once the scan completes, run this command. Wait for the process to finish, then restart your computer to apply the changes. Once completed, your File Explorer should be responsive again. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I hope it helped you out, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.